So how to add more value in your everyday life? Life is a sum total of days becoming weeks and weeks becoming months and months becoming years. And on average, we have anything between 70 to 80 years, maybe plus 85 at the most. So it's just two digits, it's not like 800 years, it's 80 years is the average age, or even 75. So it becomes very important as to how you spend your every moment, every hour, every day, which is what is going to become the very achievement in your life, your goals, the nature of your life, which you will also enjoy, and what you leave behind as a legacy would be for people to take it as an example. So be very aware that everything that you do, every thought, every action, every word is well thought of. And meditation is the best to know that, as to what will work best for you. And always spend time to assess your what is good for you as per your life, your profile, your goals, and where you want to be in 5, 10 years, 20 years, or by the end of your life, as to what would work best for you to do in terms of choices of career or any activity. So to get a maximum output of every living moment, it would be best to take firstly the support of the universe, because there is this whole universal energy which is available to you, to your micro energy. The macro energy is available, and to ignore it would be foolish. So to make that available to you by doing a prayer to unite with the universal energy. So just blend with the whole cosmos, and it will give you the intelligence that it has to know well how to go about your life. And be very conscious of choosing your situations, your friends, your activities, as to what will bring, what it will bring, not just to yourself, your own growth, your own learning, but also how it will change the world. Because that will become your contribution towards the whole universe with your life, the whole existence. So your existence shouldn't be just your existence; it should be blended with the universal existence. And don't be emotional, but not be over emotional, not be impulsive. You can be intuitive, which again comes very well from practice of daily meditation. So a practice of at least 15 minutes of daily meditation, and then building it to more, will bring you to the correct analysis of what is the right path for you, the right choices in terms of people, friends, colleagues, jobs, or even travels. If you have to travel somewhere, don't just be led by where everyone is going. If everyone is going to Goa, you go to Goa, or if they're going to London, you go to London. If they're going to mall to buy things, if all your friends in a group are going there, you will also go there. So maybe that's not what you want. And as you grow in life, you try to segregate yourself. I'm not saying become a recluse, but maybe be with friends who will match with the kind of goals you want to achieve in your life. So it becomes very important. Certain practice of a faith in daily life is very, very important, because that keeps you away from fearing anything, and that is such a good quality for a human being, because human beings have this very inherent thing to fear. It's planted in people's minds. So when you have faith, you will not have fear. You will just surrender and give yourself to the higher intelligence to operate from. So whether it's an evening you're spending somewhere to recreate yourself, like an entertainment, or a movie you're watching, a book you're reading, a conversation you're having with someone, or maybe the way you're spending time at work, everything should be geared towards making the right choice. So read a book that will enhance your knowledge, your skills. Maybe enroll in a program that will, as a hobby, or as a something to have a break from your routine day-to-day work, which will enhance you from where you are till yesterday. A movie that you want to watch should be educative. It can be entertainment. Sometimes it's okay to just watch a light-hearted movie, but most of the time it should be well selected. and a conversation you're having. Just don't be hanging around a coffee shop or in a cafe, just a casual chatter, because that doesn't help anybody, unless you're really bonding with a friend, a childhood friend, which is again also a need in life. But mostly friends should be also to enrich your life. So choose your moments, spend them in a manner that will take you forward in your journey of achieving what all goals you've set out for yourself for the future. Make your plans. You don't have to plan to the T, but at least have some idea of where you want to be. They say that don't ever plan because you don't know if you will be alive tomorrow. But that's not how we want to think. We want to think positive. I want to live for more than 100 years. And I think I will. If I think like that, I will. I don't want to die because it's only, one day we will all die, but it's how many years I have to live is how much I can contribute with my existence to this bigger existence. And so why should I think that, I shouldn't plan because I don't know if I'll be alive tomorrow? I will be because I want to be, because I have so much planned to offer with my life to the universe. The universe will make me live. And I don't have any fear. I look after my health. I do my responsibility. I do what I need to do to have a long, healthy life. Of course, a long life should also be a healthy life. I pray for it. Whenever I go to any place of prayer or my daily prayer, there's the one single prayer I have is that make me healthy and give me maximum output. Give me those resources by which I can have that maximum output, to have that much support from the whole universe, even wisdom, even protection, resources in every way. Make things happen, for me. Open my way, open my channels, bring people to come in my environment who will support me in my achieving those goals that I've set out for myself. And my goals are to contribute as much as I can. There's no limit, with my chosen field of healthcare and bringing people happiness in life. So I always say I'm a doctor of happiness, and that is the ultimate of healthcare. If you are happy here in your soul, in your mind, you have a good night's sleep, you will not know sickness. So that is most important, your health, and then value creation. So I'm very fortunate to be a member of this Value Creation Society. I think it's quite well known, the Soka Gakkai Foundation from Japan, which teaches the learnings of Buddhism applied on daily life and with the faith. So I have learned a lot from that, and I always choose my masters or my teachers, and everything is a teacher. Sometimes a small child is my teacher, an insect is my teacher, and any animal or any creature, a tree, Mother Nature, everything is a teacher. So I'm a learner. I always say I'm an eternal student of life. So I'm most happy when I'm like a student, so that adds value, because I'm very conscious of how I spend my time, and if I feel it's not adding value, I will just exit, and I will either go home and sleep, or I will choose another activity, or I will try to add value, and if I've done that, then I will exit. So that's, I think, how everyone should live, should spend their time, especially the youth, the future of our I wouldn't say just our country, but our whole universe. To make the universe a bigger, a better, healthier, happier place is what is the kind of youth we want to develop, cultivate with these values. Thank you.